Hey, so now we're doing the Easy Pro Junior 8300 series water management system by Signature Control Systems. We do a lot of things on this channel with timers, and this one is kind of a rare one, so I wanted to play with it. It's hard to get out, so I wanted to show you a couple things in here. Like, it's been here a few years, and you really should have some kind of water plug situation there. The grommets, the cable grommets are usually what I use, that go around the control wire for the irrigation control wire. So you can see a bunch of debris from bugs and stuff in here, and then you can see the nesting of spiders and stuff. And if they bridge the terminals, you can get zapped or have a lot of malfunction issues. So I try to remove as much of that, like spiderweb junk and bug junk, and I really should like actually take the wires out and redo this situation here, and I'll get to that eventually, but I'm having some issues with the other plumbing of the valves and whatnot, and actually, so I want to show you just it says on the timer, it says 4Z, which is 4 zone, which only means that the timer it has 4 zones, not that there's 4 zones wired. There's only the one zone that's wired. It's got the common wire, and then the master valve, and then the station 1. And the master valve is it's just in case the other valve fails. So that would be the master valve, and that would be the station valve, and really not entirely necessary, but there it is. Doesn't hurt, and I guess the contractor could charge more for that, but I did a lot of programming videos for this Signature Series 8300 Easy Pro Junior, and so you can look at those for programming of the stations and whatnot, and I went over some of the symbols in the display that can happen too, but I just wanted to make you aware of, like, make sure there's no bridging of the terminals by ants or cobwebs, and try to, like, I'm gonna at least put some electrical tape over this to attempt to keep bugs out for a little while, but a cable grommet is the more preferred way of managing the throughput of said hole. And so there you have some more information about the Signature Series Control System Irrigation Timer tutorial programming of this wondrous feat of engineering. I actually prefer the Hunter timers, but this one was here. There was one in the backyard too, and so it works, and we're going to use it. And there you have it. See you in another video. Thanks for joining.